As you can see that the product comes neatly boxed. It comes through Hermes, and we paid £10 postage and £40 for the product, which is about right considering the ones you get off Amazon and other places for just the basic ones. But the question is, how good is it? Now, I have actually paid for this, so I've put my own money into this, so let's see. The company's called JNJ online, and I'll give all the details in the description below. So we start off now. Why have I actually bought this? Well, when you aerate with a machine, it's fine doing 99% of the lawn, but little funny shapes and funny corners where the machine won't physically fit in, or into corners or around really tight corners and things like that, you tend to miss little areas. So a little manual aerator, you can just go in and bop 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 and just aerate that little bit of ground there. Normally I use my soil probe to just aerate those particular areas, but I've been thinking about getting one for a while. I am going to test a few in time, so if anybody's got another one that they'd like me to test, I'd be more than happy to test that for you. But in the meantime, we've got this one from J&J. Now, when I've seen it being used in one of their videos, it looks pretty good. That's why I'm excited to try this out. Oh, believe it or not, the box is actually made custom for it. It doesn't come with any protective bubble wrap or anything like that, but do you know what? The box has done the job. The box has kept it nice. So it's actually bigger and more robust than what I thought. This is plenty big enough to get your feet on there. And we've got some nice orange handles on there. So the problem we tend to get with tools like these, you can get cheap ones at £15–20 and they will have 3 in there, which is fine. It is better actually to have them sort of every 2 or 3 inches spaced across, but with this you can do a line and then you can move across a couple of inches and then do another line, so you're still moving across. But the others, they tend to get clogged up. I don't know how this is going to perform, but from the video of itself it does look pretty good. Now they feel really smooth inside. There's a slight bit of burring on the edge, but it's not enough to sort of cut your fingers. Maybe the sharp edge actually helps with the penetrating into the ground. So overall, it's balanced well and it looks good. And it's arrived okay, so far we're doing well with this. So I'm going to start here. Now the ground is nice and soft, plenty of room there to get big wide boots in, plenty of room. Push down and up. So that's aerated well. It's about 3 inches deep, so the holes look really good. Now we've got the soil in there. The question is, when we come to the next holes, will the soil excuse me, when we come to do the next holes, will the soil push this soil up and out? So I'm going to aerate just to the side of it. So that's the second one, and it's gone in really well, and I can see that the soil has now been pushed up to the top. So now we go for the third one. They should pop out now. So yes, that is pretty good. And you can see my soil, no thatch whatsoever. So it's aerated absolutely fine. And this is literally as good as a machine core aeration. So you are limited by how fast you can go. You're in no rush when it's your own garden. You can take a section that's 2 meters by 2 meters and spend half an hour doing it, and then you can just work that area, and an hour later, if you want to do some more, and over the space of a few days you can aerate your whole lawn. So it aerates well. I like that. It goes in nice and easy. So I'm going to go and test it on another section of lawn that's actually aerated really well. The cores are nice and clean. Obviously it helps having a sharp new tool, and nothing lasts forever, but the way I see it, if you can get one season out of a tool, it serves you well. If you manage to aerate all your lawn with one tool for £40, you're doing well. So we'll go and try it now on another section of lawn which has got a bit more thatching, a piece of lawn further up which we don't normally treat. So we'll try now. I'm expecting this to be just as fine. A little bit more force required, but that's because you're going through thatch. I actually enjoy this. Yeah. So it does the job. It's well packaged. The question is, with any tool, what's it like long term and what's it like on clay soil? I don't have a deal of clay in my lawn. There is a bit, but it's more middle of the road, soily, with maybe the tiniest bit of clay. But I'm actually really happy, and those aeration holes are really deep. They actually go deeper than the aerator machine I use, so that is a bonus. So I can feel now the whole finger. So there's a good 3 inches there. It's good. So, initial thoughts, it does the job, and it looks well. It came well packaged, well, undamaged, but it was just in cardboard. But do you know what? It was enough. And it's not unattractive, it is actually attractive. The welds seem okay, and it's painted in this sort of speckly grey paint colour, but yeah, you can see that there. So overall, I have to say I'm happy with this. I'm going to use this on a few more jobs. I'm going to use it when I'm renovating some customer lawns and on my own lawn, because I'm going to renovate my own lawn very shortly. So we'll see how it stands up to a bit more abuse and on different types of soil. So this is going with me in the van, and so far so good. So if you're interested in one of these, aeration helps the lawn breathe, it helps it to drain well. If you've got a clay lawn, it's very worth aerating your lawn to improve drainage, especially if you brush some compost, topsoil, etc. into the holes. You're improving what is in the ground. Right guys, I will leave you a link to the page on Facebook in the description. JNJ, I found the whole process to be good. Initial communication was good, fast, and after I'd placed the order, which was as simple as he gave me a PayPal link, I placed the order, and the next day I got a tracking number, and it arrived, I can't remember if it was 1 or 2 days after that. So overall, it's a good result. So all I can say is if you are looking to one of these, you might want to consider one. Other than that, you know, I am going to look at getting the, is it Walensee that I recommended in my list, my shopping list, which you can see in another video. And I may try a few others as well, because even though this is a great product, as with all of these types of tools, what's going to happen in time when these become a bit dull, the sharpness, you can probably get a file on it and just file it down. There's plenty of room to file it down actually, so that's fine. Some of the more expensive aerators, we're talking £150, manual aerators, you can actually unscrew these and then you can replace them, and you can buy the hollow tines. These are called tines. You can buy the hollow tines with a slot in the side, so it gets pushed up and pops out of the slot, and you can replace them. So that is the only downfall to this, but you are paying a third of the price of what you pay for the £150 ones. So you get what you pay for, but in this particular price range, I'm actually really excited by this. There are some on Amazon which are red and they're about £17–18. I bought 2 of those many years ago and tried it once, and it went straight back in the garage and eventually ended up in a skip, or I might have given them away, I can't remember, but they're absolute rubbish. They just clog up inside. Now the manufacturer of this claims that these don't clog, so we will see in time how they perform. If we do get clogging issues, then unfortunately it's one of those things, and we'd have to look at one which has the ejection holes on the side. But so far so good, happy. It is doing what it is supposed to do, and it is ejecting absolutely fine. So we will try more as time goes on. So thanks for watching guys, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel down below.